till to date when it comes to the land issue, that we ought to do something to heal that pain. And RDP will not heal that pain. The white boys of the of the DA, failing to appreciate that it is not about an RDP house. It's about how do we heal the pain of the past caused by genocide committed against black people. We're inviting everyone into this conversation. We're saying to them, let's talk. How do we heal that pain? How do we heal this permanent anger amongst black people? That even 24 years into democracy, they're still very angry. Because the property relations have not changed. They are still the same as they were during colonial apartheid times. That which they've lost, they've never gained. We are a country where a revolution took place, but the colonialists, the oppressor lost nothing. And the oppressed gained nothing. But we talk of 1994 breakthrough. Breakthrough. What breakthrough? The oppressor lost nothing. The oppressed gained nothing. Yet you call it freedom. Yet you call it democratic breakthrough. Yet you call it a revolution has taken place. The oppressed have gained nothing. The inequalities are growing high. The whites are becoming more richer. The blacks are becoming more poorer. Because those who are scared to call white and black, they say the rich are becoming more richer, the poor are becoming more poorer. Simply put, means whites are becoming richer, blacks are becoming more poor. And we have to call it by its rightful name if we want to understand each other. And if we want our fellow white South Africans to know what we are talking about. Because sometimes whites, they just behave like they are aloof. They don't understand what you are talking about. When you say the rich are becoming richer, you are talking about Patrice. You are talking about Cyril. They are becoming richer. They don't think you are talking about them. So we have to call them by their rightful name so they know we are talking about them, that they are becoming more richer. Actually, one white fellow was trying to make a joke and said, if we had known democracy was going to be this nice, we would have given it to you before 1976 to avoid killing of people. Why? It's very nice for them. They can now open Pick n Pay in Soweto. They couldn't do it in the past. They can now open ShopRite in Thohoyandou. They couldn't do it in the past. And the opening of these shops in the black townships has led to the closing down of spaza shops and townships. And nice for white. They would have given it to us in 1970. That is land in our vocabulary. That is South African land. All of it.